Hello fellow NewTubers, this is Meg and I just wanted to chat with you all today about goal setting for your YouTube channels. More specifically, I wanted to discuss the importance of setting SMART goals for you and your channel. In 1981, Dr. George T. Doran published his article, "There's a Smart Way to Write Management Goals and Objectives," in Management Review magazine. Now, I know what you're thinking. How is an antiquated theory in business management goal setting going to help me with my channel? Never fear. Despite its age, the SMART method for goal setting is still being taught today in colleges and corporate management training programs across America. And whereas you are not running a Fortune 500 company, you are managing and running your own YouTube channel. And the methods he has been teaching for the last 40 years are going to help us make this year the most successful ever for small and new content creators. So let's dive right in. S.M.A.R.T, or SMART goals, stand for specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and time-bound. First and foremost, your goal must be specific. For example, I want to improve my channel is an open-ended goal and much too vague. Instead, when setting a SMART goal, think about the specifics and ask yourself this question: what would improve the quality of my channel? Some examples of specific SMART goals that could improve the quality of your channel would be: I want to publish a new video series, I want to start a blog to complement my channel, or I want to update my channel art. By being specific in your goals, you are setting yourself up to implement actionable steps to improving your channel. Not only do goals have to be specific to ensure completion, but they must also be measurable or have some sort of metric put into place to ensure that you know that your goals are getting accomplished. Some metrics for our example goals could be: I want to publish a new video series. I will do this by producing and uploading 8 videos, 1 per week. I want to start a blog to complement my channel. I will do this by researching 4 different blogging platforms and choosing the one I like the most. Or, I want to update my channel art. I will do this by creating 3 different options to choose from. So now you have both specific goals and the measurable steps you need to accomplish them. Goals must always be attainable, meaning that you must be able to accomplish it solely on your own or with your creator team. We must remember to not fall into the subscriber view count trap. It is easy to want to have a subscriber or view count related goal. Who doesn't want to get those first 100 subs or first 10,000 views? But these milestones do not make for SMART goals because we cannot reasonably attain them on our own. We can put in all the hard work possible into our channels, and it is still up to others to click our content and hit that subscribe button. When thinking about our example goals, they are all attainable because they rely on you, the content creator, to accomplish them. A subscriber is not going to create a video series for you, and they won't write a blog for you, and they don't know what sort of channel art you might like. So take ownership of your goals and start measuring your success through your own accomplishments, hard work, and personal development as a content creator rather than the actions of your subscribers and viewers. Something else to keep in mind when goal setting is that your goals need to be relevant to both your cause, i.e. content creation or brand expansion, and experience, i.e. your subscriber or view count. For example, a brand new creator with 25 subscribers will not need to set a goal for finding a channel manager, but an established creator with 25,000 subscribers might. And in turn, a 25,000 subscriber channel will probably already have a set upload schedule, established channel branding, and are utilizing those social medias. But a small 25 subscriber channel might not have started exploring those resources yet. Ensuring your goals are relevant will help propel your channel forward rather than wasting your time on tasks that don't matter or won't yield results. Lastly, we must remember that for our goals to be achievable, they must be time-bound. Due dates help to focus our efforts and work and keeps us from procrastinating. As creators, we will want to have a mixture of short, mid, and long-term goals. Using our examples from before, I want to publish a new video series, 8 videos, 1 a week, to be completed in 2 months, is a short-term goal. I want to start a blog, 4 options to compare, to be completed in 6 months, is a midterm goal. Or, I want to create new channel art, 3 options to choose from, to be completed in 12 months, is a long-term goal. Short, mid, and long-term goals help to sort, distribute, and prioritize the workload. First and foremost, you want to get the content up and flowing at a constant rate. Then you can focus on fleshing out other areas of your brand, like a blog or social medias. Once your channel has a rhythm and personality, you can turn your attention to updating your channel art. And remember, these due dates are suggestions. If you complete your tasks early, awesome job. Set some new goals and keep working. If life hits you hard and you miss one or two, that's okay too. Regroup, figure out what went wrong, make a new actionable plan, set a new due date, and keep working. Now that you have all the tools for making SMART goals, let's take a few minutes and see what you can come up with. We would love for you to share them in the comments below or in our official Reddit thread linked below. You can find extra resources for goal setting at our website, www.veryfetch.net, where we have tips, tutorials, a how-to YouTube guide, discounts, and so much more. My name is Meg. Thanks so much for stopping by, and we'll see you around on NewTubers.